If you're dealing with a leaky or outdated tub spout faucet, don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to replace a tub spout faucet, whether it's threaded or slip-on. We'll go over everything, tools, techniques, and pro tips to make it smooth and easy. This is a job you can do yourself in under 30 minutes and save some serious money on plumbing costs. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our home improvement tutorials. Step 1. Tools and materials. A new tub spout, make sure it matches your connection type: threaded or slip-on, adjustable wrench or pipe wrench, Phillips or flathead screwdriver, plumber's tape, Teflon tape, Allen wrench for slip-on models, hacksaw optional if you need to cut a stuck pipe, rag or cloth, bucket or towel to catch drips, flashlight or headlamp optional for visibility. Step 2. Identify your spout type: threaded, screw-on, and slip-on, secured with a set screw. To find out what kind you have, look underneath the spout. If there's a small hole underneath, it's likely a slip-on and has a set screw inside. If not, it's probably threaded and screws directly onto the pipe nipple. Step 3. Remove the old spout. Use your adjustable wrench or just your hands to twist the spout counterclockwise. If it's stuck, wrap it in a cloth to avoid scratching the finish and use a wrench for extra leverage. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the set screw underneath. Once it's loose, slide the spout off the pipe. Step 4. Prep the pipe. Before installing the new spout, clean the pipe. Use a cloth to wipe off any debris, rust, or old plumber's tape. Wrap Teflon tape clockwise around the threads 2 to 3 times. This helps create a watertight seal. Step 5. Installing the new spout. Align the threads and screw on the new spout clockwise by hand until snug. Use a wrench and cloth to tighten slightly if needed, but don't over-tighten. Slide the new spout onto the pipe. Align it properly, then tighten the set screw using the Allen wrench. Make sure it's secure and flush with the wall. Step 6. Test it out. Time to test it out. Turn on the water and check for any leaks, especially where the spout meets the wall. If you don't see any water dripping from behind or around the spout, you're all set. Also, pull the diverter if it has one to make sure it switches the water to your shower head properly. And that's it. You've just replaced your tub spout faucet all on your own. Whether it was old, leaking, or you just wanted a fresh look, now you know how to handle it. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what project you'd like to tackle next. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY tips, and I'll see you in the next one.